Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to download YouTube transcripts, YouTube video transcripts for free. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first thing that you need for this is your YouTube video link. Let's say you have a video that you want to get the transcript, just copy the link. I'll copy this link for today's demonstration and go to this website called YouTube to transcript.com. I'll leave a link in the description. So once you visit this website, just paste the link here and click on get free transcript button and just scroll down. You will see the video here. You have different options here to open this with other AI websites with AI agents. We don't want that for now. I'll just click this button called copy transcript, and you can see the transcript has been copied. Now go to your Word file or any Google document or Google Sheet, and you can paste this and you can easily get the transcript of any video on YouTube using this method. And I'll leave a link to this website in the description as well. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.